Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. For today's tutorial, we're going to be making some nice Easter eggs with a peanut butter filling. So, let's get started. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be using an inexpensive Easter egg mold, some dark chocolate, and a paintbrush. So for our first step, I'm going to create the outer shell and I'm going to start painting on the first coat. And then I'll place it in the fridge for 10 minutes to chill down the chocolate, and then we'll start on the second coat. And with little chocolates like this that are filled, you always want to do 2 coats because 1 coat is not thick enough. While doing your second coat, you have a chance to fill in any little thin spots that you may have missed on the first coat. Now place your mold into your fridge for about 10 minutes. And then we can start on the filling. And then we're going to start filling the molds, and I'm using a smooth peanut butter. And the important thing is, do not overfill the mold because we have to add chocolate at the end to completely enclose the mold. And then to smooth out the peanut butter, I'm using some tweezers. You just want to make sure that it's nice and flat. And then to cap off, or finish our chocolates, we're going to add in the same chocolate that we used to paint the shells. Do not overfill. Just add that in there, and then what we can do is we can gently tap the mold, and that's going to show us exactly how much chocolate that we need. And then I'm going to use my tweezers again, and this is a very important part. You want to make sure you go around the whole mold and make sure that every little crack is filled in so that you do not see any peanut butter. Once that is done, place it into the fridge for about 10 minutes, and that should enable you to just pop out all the chocolates. If you find that you're having trouble getting the chocolates out of the mold, if they're sticking in the mold, put the mold back into the fridge for another 10 minutes and then try popping them out and you should have no problem. And for our last step, let's cut into one to show you the inside. So there you can see the nice thin outer shell and also the nice peanut butter on the inside. And if you love peanut butter and chocolate together, you're going to love trying out this little tutorial. So that's it for today's really fun tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.